Welcome to my channel. I'm here to teach you how to properly upload a YouTube video. Proper way to upload a YouTube video. Watch. You go to create here. By my right hand create, click upload. You say select file. You go to wherever your file is, the video you want to upload. Then you can upload your video. See, when you upload your video, then you can write your title wherever you want to write, but you must make sure it gets to this visibility. But before you upload, this is where you put your thumbnail. Under then you can write your description. I'm deleting this, I'm putting a good description. When writing a good title, go to your chat GPT. For example, let me show you. I said, write me a good title for my YouTube channel, 4 reasons you are not getting views. Did you see the reasons ChatGPT gave to me? Always try to, as a new YouTuber, try and reach out to ChatGPT so it can give you a good title. Then let's go back. Then you can write, before then, under this, you can say, no, it's not for kids. Then you go to more. I want to properly show you where to go down. You write a good tag. Take away this. I'm taking away this. Under this category, you have to put a good category for yourself. Under, let's continue. Let me go. I will have to rewrite all this. I say next. You see, you click what? Next. Then all you have to do is what? Click on list. Make sure it's on list. Don't put it on public first. When you finish uploading your video, then you can go and what? Save. So it says still content, right? You still go what? It's still okay. My video is trying to still upload. You can say what? It's not on this. Don't publish. I have to make sure I put it properly. So we'll go. It's still unlisted. Then okay. Then you say save. Click publish. Anyways, so when you're done, you go back to editing. You have to re-edit all this. Go to ChatGPT. Make sure you type in with ChatGPT so it can give you a good description, a good thumbnail. Go to my YouTube channel. You can see where I teach you how to use a good thumbnail with ChatGPT. Write a playlist. Then make sure it's not for kids. If you are doing a kids channel, you can put it for kids. Then go to under more. I want to make sure you put everything properly. Go to write a good tag. ChatGPT can give you a good tag too. Then under category, make sure it's you put it in the perfect category you want your video to be. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching.